Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Roblox Continue installation without flag settings error in a simple and working way so you can install Roblox without getting stuck. This issue usually appears when installation files are corrupted or blocked by system settings. First, close Roblox completely and make sure no setup process is running in the background. Next, delete any existing Roblox setup files from your Downloads folder. Then press Windows plus R, type %temp% and delete temporary files to clear leftover data. After that, disable your antivirus or Windows Defender temporarily, as it can sometimes block the installer. Now, download the latest Roblox installer from the official website and run it as administrator to avoid permission issues. You should also make sure your internet connection is stable during installation to prevent incomplete downloads. Another helpful step is to check your system date and time settings, as incorrect values can cause installation problems. Finally, restart your computer and try installing again if needed. After following these steps, Roblox should install properly without the flag settings error. Subscribe the channel for more videos.